Hello, Grands, and hello, Greats, and hello, my friends. Tonight is going to be a story about Grandie and the Greyhounds. So one day, Grandie said, I want a greyhound. And she asked politely again, Can I have a greyhound? And she got her greyhound. But then Grandie started thinking, if I have a greyhound, I'm going to need a greyhound bed. And Grandie got a greyhound bed. But having a greyhound bed made Grandie think of her own bed. Can I have a pillow? So Grandie got a pillow. And now it was time for Grandie to go to bed. But then, knowing Grandie, she started to think. And she asked, Can I have a bubble bath? So Grandie got a bubble bath where she relaxed for a long time. And then she thought, I'm going to need pajamas. Can I have my pajamas? And Grandie got her pajamas. And as she was getting ready for bed, Grandie remembered, can I have some milk? And Grandie was poured milk in the kitchen. And she went to the kitchen to go get her milk. And on the way back from getting her milk, she looked down and she saw her greyhound bed. And Grandie thought, can I have another greyhound? And of course, Grandie got another greyhound. And this is how she got Sassy and Kylie, her greyhounds. Good night, you all. I hope you all have sweet dreams. Till next time, love you, my greats, my grands, and my friends. The end.